Yeah, good morning to all. This is V. Jhan Reddy, Assistant Professor in the Department of Physics from Nalla Narasimha Engineering College. Today we are going to discuss about a small topic regarding the laser, applications of lasers. Okay. Here we know that lasers are used in everywhere. We use the lasers in communication, in the industry, in the military operations, and in computers, in the research, in the medical field. Everywhere you are using the laser. The first one is the lasers in communications. In the communication where we are using, okay, majorly we are using the communication systems in the optical fibers to transmit the data from one place to another place in the form of light, where the source is laser source. Okay, lasers are used in optical fiber communications as a light source to transmit audio, video signals and data to long distances without attenuation and distortion. Laser beam can be used for the communication between the earth and moon. Okay, and laser beam can be used for the underwater communication as laser radiation is not absorbed by water. Okay, next coming to applications of industry. Lasers in industry, lasers are used for welding. Dissimilar metals can be welded using lasers. Okay, majorly we are using the lasers in industries for the welding. Suppose welding, we can weld the same kind of materials and dissimilar other different materials also we can weld with the help of lasers, and we can hold the materials. Holes with the controlled precision can be drilled in a steel, ceramics, diamond and alloys using lasers. Suppose we are taking the ceramic holing is very difficult, but with the help of lasers we can easily drill the hole into the ceramics. Okay, lasers are widely used in electronic industry in trimming the components of ICs. When we are making the ICs, to solder the IC components is very difficult. With the help of laser light we can easily trimming the components. Okay, and next the lasers are used in cutting metal sheets. We can cut the material with the help of lasers very easily. Any kind of material, sheets or diamond or cloth. In the mass production of the stitching the clothes, lasers are used to cut the cloth in the desired directions all at once. When we are taking the mass production, we are cut the cloth at a time with the help of laser light. So lasers are used for surface treatment also. Suppose if there is any defects on the surface, we identify with the help of laser light. Okay. Next, coming to the lasers in medicine. Lasers are used in eye surgery, especially to attach the detached retina. To attach and detach the retina, we use the laser. So majorly we use eye surgeries for solving the retina problems in our eyes. Okay, and the next one is lasers are used for treatments such as plastic surgery. We can done the plastic surgery with the help of laser light, and skin injuries, and to remove the on the skin any dead cells is there, we remove those tissues, and tattoos, tumors developed in the skin tissues we can remove easily with the help of laser light. And the lasers are used for stomatology. The study of stomatology means the study of mouth and its diseases. Any diseases inside the mouth we can easily treat with the lasers and easily identify. The next one is laser radiation is sent through optical fiber to open blocked artery regions. Okay, any veins inside the body is blocked, that is simply we can open this with the help of laser light. Lasers are used to destroy the kidney stones and gallstones. Okay, next, lasers are used in cancer diagnosis and therapy. So suppose if you take the red argon laser used in throat cancer treatment. Lasers are used in the blood lossless surgery. Lasers are used to control the thermology, and using carbon dioxide lasers, liver and lung treatment can be carried out. Lasers are used in endoscopy to detect the hidden parts. Okay, these are the few applications of lasers in medical field. And anywhere if you are using the lasers, we can easily treat the disease, and we can easily identify the disease with the help of laser light. And we can using this one a very less pain. When you are using this one, we have the less pain and less blood loss. Okay, next, coming to military applications. Lasers in military. Focusing on the high energetic laser beam for a few seconds to destroy aircraft, missiles, etc. Okay. The military operations, we use the laser beams to destroy the aircrafts and missiles of the other countries. These rays are called as death rays. Those rays are called the death rays, and lasers are used to estimate the size and shape of the distant objects or war weapons. Those are also we identify easily with the help of laser light. The next, coming to computers, lasers in computers. We know that lasers are majorly used in printers. Okay, when we are taking the laser printouts, we are using the printouts and Xerox machines. We use the photocopy machines. We use the laser light, and to use lasers are used in the CD-ROMs to write and read the data from the disk, and in the LAN communications we use the lasers. Okay. The next one is nuclear fusion. In the nuclear fusion also we are using the lasers to increase the reaction speed. Okay. The lasers in scientific research. Laser beam can initiate chemical reactions, study the nature of the chemical bonds, and also can break the molecules. Okay, with the help of this laser line, we initiate the chemical. Suppose any reaction is slow, we can increase the reaction speed, and we start the reaction, and we can break the bonds between the molecules, and we can study the nature of the bonds between the molecules. And another one, lasers are used to estimate the size and shape of biological cells. Lasers are used to estimate the size and shape of the biological cells such as erythrocytes. Lasers are used to find the size of the dust particles. Lasers are used in counting the atoms in isotope separation. So when we are separating the isotopes, we can easily count the isotopes with the help of lasers. Okay. Lasers are used in holography. To construct the holography, we use the lasers. To construct and reconstruction of the hologram, we use the laser. Lasers are used to measure the constantly changing distance between the moon and earth by suppose there is a constant changing distance between the moon and earth, that is observed by the lasers. Lasers are used in plastic industry to unite the monomers to form polymers. From monomers to polymers, we can use the laser light.